We're going to talk a little more about curve editing, and let's talk about the handlebar editor just real quickly. For that, I'm going to create a circle. Then I'm actually going to use my rebuild command to make it a little more complicated. I'll press OK. So here's our circle. This is what our edit points look like. Now let's open our point editing window here. And this is the handlebar editor. So I'll click that, select my curve, click and drag to edit curve. Now as you can see, what happens is, let me zoom in here, my cursor jumps to the two ends of this handlebar, which works a little bit like a seesaw. As I drag the handlebar, the curve changes its shape. I can drag it in a circular fashion, up and down, straight through itself. Many different ways to do that. When I right-click, I'm finished. And so here's our handlebar editor. Now, the length of the handlebar, if I just turn on my edit points, let's see how far away these edit points are here. Choose handlebar editor. As you can see, the length of the handlebar is not determined by the edit points of this circle. Well, not much of a circle anymore. But when I start, I can move out to the sides to actually increase the length of my handlebar, which will increase the effect that it has on the curve shape. You can also decrease it or increase it in a vertical fashion or overlap. So the handlebar editor will work on any curve in a similar fashion. Now what if I had a very simple curve? Again, let's choose handlebar editor here. As you can see, it works in a similar way, but it is restricted to the edit points and control points that you have on the curve. In other words, it's not going to invent extra points to allow you to have a finer level of control on your curve. It's going to use what you've already created for it, and can be kind of fun to mess around with.